Hi everyone, and I'm finally doing this video. I'm gonna be showing you all how I do my eyebrows. This is 2 weeks of not having touched them. I'm not sure if the camera is picking it up too well. If I leave my brows, I will grow a unibrow, just saying. But yeah, so yeah, let's get started. So I don't know why I thought it was a good idea to put on makeup for this video. It would be better doing it with a clean face. So I'm just gonna use a makeup wipe and kind of clean my brows. Gonna use this mirror. And the first thing I do is I take my eyebrow pencil. Well, this is a retractable. This is Maybelline's Total Temptation Brow Definer. If you are afraid of over plucking or tweezing your brows, I would suggest filling both the top and bottom. I don't have a problem with over plugging underneath, but I do like to fill out the top because I kind of tend to overdo it there because my hairs grow unevenly on top, if that makes any sense. Oh, I forgot this was a new one, so wait, I need to break it in a little bit, kind of warm it up in my hand. Okay, so I finished filling them in. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start plucking or tweezing. I'm gonna use the word tweeze. Tweezing the middle area right here first. So I'm just gonna come really close so y'all can see all of those hairs there. So I'm gonna start with those, and I'm gonna try and come as close as I can to the camera so that you can see what I'm doing. And if you're wondering if this hurts, it actually doesn't, because I got, I guess immune to the tweezing. Ow. Okay, I lied. That one hurts. Also a tip, if you're doing this and you're using a magnifying glass, always check in a regular mirror just to make sure that everything looks fine, because sometimes when it's zoomed up you don't see the full picture, obviously, and that's like real necessary, because I think once I used a magnifying glass only and I overplucked, and yeah, it was a disaster. Okay, so I start from this end and I go in all the way to right here, if this would focus. Yes. Oh, you know, when I put this shiny thing, when I put the tweezer, it focuses on the tweezer. So I'm starting here. You know what?
You can hold the tweezer.
I'm just gonna use the viewfinder as a mirror. What?
You can hold the tweezer and like block it with your finger and if you want.
Oh, like this? Let me try.
If it's not focusing.
Yeah, but then it focuses on my finger. Alright. Yeah. Okay. So y'all could see all those hairs. This is amazing! Oh my gosh! Oh yeah, I didn't put on mascara, thank God, because that would have been a mess. Alright. So I'm gonna use the viewfinder as a... This is not even a viewfinder. What is called this? Oh, a viewfinder.
I'm making pancakes.
Real quick, Mom, if you're watching this, this is your tweezer from like years ago. I'm still using it. It still works, I don't know. Okay, so I'm doing a lot of the tweezing off camera because if I try to do it here, I may mess up my brows. But I just wanted to quickly say, like, again, if you're afraid or you're scared of over tweezing your brows, fill them in first and then tweeze them. I'm very accustomed to doing them all the time, so these hair, like usually what I used to do before, and they got very thin, is I'll go like all, let me come close, I'll go all the way in here, and then it'll look really thin, and then I'll watch my brows and be like, okay, so I finished the bottom of both brows, now onto the top, and the most important part. And this is where the filling in comes in handy, because basically I'm just gonna tweeze on the outside of what is filled in.
I know that you heard something for you is better than your coffee.
And if you'll notice, I have a lot of hair here. like I'm naturally a very hairy person. I guess that's a good thing because I have thick brows. I have a lot of like fuzziness on my face. I just learned to accept it, but the ones that are closer to the hairline, can you see it there? Yeah, I just go ahead and leave those.
The best part of us is when you're with me. There's no limitations you can have, whatever you please.
When I used to wax my brows, I would get super like irritated and bumpy, and it would get thinner and thinner and thinner, and then I would get like. And threading, I never tried threading. If you do thread your brows, let me know your experience. Again, I don't think you can you thread your own brows though? I don't know if that works, no. And I need to be able to do my brows for myself, so. Okay, I'm done tweezing everything. Looking alright. The next step would be to clean the brows again. I'll just use the same wipe to remove all of the eyebrow pencil that I filled in before. And there we go. This is how my brows look with any product. So I'm gonna fill them in now. What I do is I fill in the top and maybe do a little bit of feathering. Actually, I lie. No, I don't feather them in just because of how long and thick my brows are. And it takes a lot of time to do those like individual strokes, which I absolutely like on other people, but it takes a really long time. So what I do is I just fill in the top hair. Let me get close. Hair. And then a little bit in between, and then I blend it out, comb through, and then finish with a brow gel.
Good morning, baby. Are you awake? 'Cause
Okay, so I just finished filling in my brows. I started to apply gel on camera, and then I realized I forgot to blend it out. Alright, next side. I feel I have to do this one with my mirror.
I'm starving. The best part of waking
You know, I planned to do this video a week ago. A week ago I didn't have this. Alright, so all blended. And now I'm gonna use my brow gel. This is by Kiss, and it's the Top Brow Gel Mascara. Super affordable, super good. It is more on the wet side, so it'll leave your brows super wet at first, but then it dries down and it stays in place. So as I'm doing this, I'm kind of deliberating whether I want to trim my brows or not. I kind of like this super bushy, long look. Sometimes I don't, and I want it a little bit neater. But I think I'm gonna leave it. I think I'm gonna leave it today. What do you all think? Do you all see how wet that is?
dreaming of me. I know that you were.
And this is it. I'm not gonna lie, that video was hard to do. This was real hard to do, but I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below how you do your brows. I hope this was helpful. I tried my best, I really did, but it's real hard to do this though. Anyway, make sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. Hit the notification bell, that just ensures that you get notified when I do upload a video. And follow me on Instagram. I post a lot there. Well, I try to post a lot there. At SimplyEls, at SimplyEls, at SimplyEls. Bye!
There's no